Acer, saccharum, Caddo, the Caddo sugar maple. The Caddo sugar maple is a variety of just the regular sugar maple that grows in the northeastern part of the United States. It was discovered in Caddo County, Oklahoma. It's just a naturally occurring, heat and drought resistant variety of the sugar maple, and it's now a cultivated variety, as you can see with the single quotes. The photograph went over that, but it's cultivated and sold in our area as being the sugar maple that's tolerant of our particular heat and drought in this region. The species itself is 40 to 60 feet high. With the Caddo, you're looking at probably 30 feet, 30 foot plus. Not quite as wide as tall, so oval-shaped canopy with not quite as high as the height. As with all the Acers, you have an opposite leaf arrangement. This is simple, somewhat kind of a star-shaped leaf, either 3 to 5 lobes. You have a lobe here, 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 and then 2 smaller lobes here at the bottom. This would be considered a complete lobe just with some very coarse teeth. Sometimes the edge of the leaf slightly turns under. This is a very good representation of the kind of deep, almost a waxy green color to the leaf. And the fall color turns from yellow to orange to kind of a brilliant orange-red. The stem on the Caddo sugar maple, as well as just the regular sugar maple, is kind of a gray, matures to a gray. It starts out kind of brownish gray and matures to kind of a smooth gray. In the center of the canopy, if you were standing by the stream, you could look into the canopy. Many of the branches on the interior of the canopy have kind of a blackened quality to them, as if there was a fire underneath and there was smoke staining onto the gray branches. And you'll be able to see that in the specimens that we look at in lab. The flowers are just these sort of small greenish yellow flowers in the spring, not showy, and then the fruit is the double samara like we've seen on the other maples, maturing in the fall. This is a really good representation of the fall color. It has this really kind of brilliant orange-red fall color.